My favorite little ornamental things to grow that grows into something that can keep us busy all winter long, and your kids and crafts and everything else. So this is how it all starts. This is a 2-inch soil block that we have started our gourd seeds in. We start in the 2-inch block simply because the seed is too large to fit into the small block, which is the one that we routinely use. So these little guys go from seed to setting fruit in about 60 to 70 days. They're pretty quick about it. And let me show you. Look at these precious little gourds. These are called spinning gourds because children back in the day used these like spinning tops. Well, they're pretty sweet this way. I mean, they look really awesome. A bunch of them piled up in a little bowl for your fall table, for decoration. So many uses when you pick them fresh like this. But leave them on the vine to cure, just like any type of gourd does. I mean, does this look familiar? This looks like the birdhouse gourd that you see so much of. Things that we do with them when they're fresh is cut a little slit in them, flatten the bottom, and use them for place cards for like Thanksgiving Day dinner. Super sweet spinning gourds. Find them at thegardenersworkshop.com.